This video, I'm going to show you how you can change your WhatsApp channel profile image. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, this is my WhatsApp channel, and as you can see, this is the current logo that I wish to change. To change, just tap on it the way I've done, and then go to edit here and just tap on edit. From here, you'll be taken to your profile where you can go to camera or gallery to select the image that you'll wish. So I'll tap on camera here, and I have an option either to take an image, go to gallery, or even use emoji or stickers or search on the web. I'll go to gallery and search among the images that I have, and once the image is found, I'll tap on it, and you can see it has been loaded. I'll finally tap on done to use the image. Now from here, I'll save the changes to effect these changes. So that's how you can change your WhatsApp channel profile image. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.